Hello students, welcome back to Grammar Learning. In last lecture, I explained you active passive voice, past tense, miscellaneous and models. Let's quickly revise the things which you have studied in last lecture. See on your screen some verb forms are given for present tense and past tense. Go through it. I am not taking it again. Rules also are there, SVO2, OBS, V3, then examples. Go through all these things before starting today's lecture. Be ready with your pencil. In miscellaneous, we have seen how to make passive voice of two objects sentences. Okay, then models also I explained you how to make passive voice of models. Would be given, should be given, may be given, could be given, can be given, ought to be given, must be given. Okay, all these things. Now today let's start with future tense. After explaining future tense, I will explain you command sentences. Okay, so today we will start with future tense. Future tense, you know that in active voice for future tense we use will or shall according to the subject plus V1. Will go, shall go. Okay, this is the form for active voice. Now for passive voice you will use will or shall plus be plus V3, same as models. Okay, will or shall plus be plus V3. Okay, so let's see the examples. I shall read a book. Okay, now with I we use shall in future tense for active voice, but while changing into passive voice we have to put will or shall according to the subject of passive voice. Okay, so here a book becomes the subject of passive voice. So a book, we cannot write a book shall be. Okay, we will write a book will be read by me. Understood? Then I shall not read a book. Negative sentence is I shall not read a book. So the passive voice, a book will not be read by me. Next one is shall I read a book? Will a book be read by me? Okay. Shall I not read a book? Will a book not be read by me? See, you may observe that shall is used in the beginning of interrogative sentences, and in the same way will or shall is used in the beginning of the interrogative sentence in passive voice also. Okay, so don't be confused in interrogative sentences. Keep in your mind that not will be used with not be third form. Okay, in interrogative sentence, in affirmative sentence also not be third form, will not be, shall not be. Okay, then simple future tense. After that future continuous tense is not possible. Okay, for future tense only two tenses are possible, simple future tense and future perfect tense. Future continuous tense is not possible. Now let's see future perfect tense. We all know that in future perfect tense we use will or shall plus have plus V3 in active voice. Okay, we use will or shall plus have plus V3 in active voice. Okay, now in passive voice just add been after have. Bas, that's all. It's easy. Okay, just add have, been. Understood? Let's see the examples. He will have loved me. Okay, so according to I we change into shall. I shall have, then see, been is used. I shall have been loved by him. Will have loved, shall have been loved. So only the been is changed. Okay. According to subject, we have to change will to shall. Understood? So it's easy. Next sentence is negative. He will not have loved me. He will not have loved me. So what will be the passive? I shall not. Use not with will or shall only. I shall not have been loved by him. Okay. Will he have loved me? Shall I have been loved by him? After shall, use object. Object is me. In subject case it is I. Shall I have been loved by him? Question mark. Will he not have loved me? Interrogative negative. Okay. Shall I have not been? Keep in mind the order of the verbs. So many verbs are there. Okay. Shall or will come in the starting. Then have not been loved. Have not been V3. Have not been V3. Have not been V3. Okay. So keep all these things in mind and don't be confused. Following tenses cannot be changed into passive voice. Which are the tenses? All the three perfect continuous tenses. Okay. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. And next one is future continuous. Okay. Now miscellaneous, go through miscellaneous and models. Now let's see command sentences. Command sentences means mostly orders are given or request is done. Okay. So sometimes these commands are expressed in different ways. So there are many ways to write commands in passive voice. Here let sentences we will see. Let, the sentences starts with let. Okay. See the example. Post this letter. Here command is given. Post this letter. So use let for passive voice for this type of sentences. Let this letter be posted. Let this letter be posted. Understood? Post this letter. Let this letter be posted. Another example I can give you. Do not neglect anyone. Do not neglect anyone. Do not neglect anyone. This can be changed in let sentences in passive voice. Okay. Let no one be neglected. What will be the passive? Let no one be neglected. Here in let sentences you have to use be with V3. Okay. For let sentences use be with V3. Understood? Another way to write the imperative sentences are, if in active voice, please, kindly, this type of sentences are given, then always the passive voice starts with you are requested to. Okay, you are requested. If please or kindly is given, you will write you are requested. If order is given, then you will write you are ordered. If advice is given, then you can write you are advised. If warning is given, then you can write you are warned. Whatever the meaning of the sentence is of active voice, you can use that word in passive voice to convert it. Okay. See here, example is given, sit down please. Here please is given, so requested. Okay. So how you will write passive voice? You are requested to. You are requested to. This is common for all the please sentences. Okay. You are requested to. Then directly join the given phrase, sit down. Okay, as we are joining the sentence with to, we are joining the sentence with to, we will write the same phrase as it is in passive voice. You are requested to sit down. Okay, for advice or order we use you are advised ed. Third form, passive voice is here only. You are requested, you are advised, you are ordered. These are passive voice only, so no need to change in rest of the sentence. Okay, see the example. Shut the windows. Okay, shut the windows. Here please is not given, so you cannot write here you are requested. Okay, shut the windows is order. So what will be the passive? Passive will start with the phrase you are ordered to. Understood? You are ordered to. Only this word will be changed according to the meaning of sentence. If advice is given, then you will write advised. If order is given, you will write ordered. If request is given, you will write you are requested. Understood? Then you are ordered to shut the windows. You are advised to keep to the left. यहाँ पर order नहीं दे रहे. Okay, advice दे रहे. Keep to the left. Left side पे रहो. Okay, you are advised to keep to the left. The next one is infinitive. If infinitive is given, how you will change? Okay, see, with example only you will understand. The paper is to write on. Here you will tell, ma'am, where is the object, where is the subject? You told find out the SVO, OVS. Okay, but here in infinitive, if this type of sentence is given, then how you will change the sentence in passive voice? So let's begin. We will start the passive voice with the subject only, then to be plus V3. Okay, verb form whatever it is given plus to be plus V3. Okay, for the sentences begin with it is time to. What we will write? See, the first example is the paper is to write on. Okay, so the paper is to be written on. Subject नहीं दिया है, direct object है. The paper is to be written on. Understood? To be written on. Third form. To be written on. Then it is time to stop the work. So it is time, then to will be changed into for. To will be changed into for. It is time for the work to be stopped. So the infinitive sentences will be written in this form. If it is started, it starts with it is time or it is believed or they believe, then you can change the sentences in this way. Okay, then the note is given. When the subject of active voice is unknown or general or can be understood, it is not written in passive voice, means skip the subject. For example, everyone should follow the traffic rules. Okay, traffic rules सबको follow करने चाहिए. So here everyone is understood. Okay, so the passive voice is the traffic rules should be followed. Understood? The traffic rules should be followed by everyone. लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Understood? The government will pass the law, pass the bill or pass the law. Okay, here it is understood कि bill या law कौन pass करता है? Government ही करती है. Okay, so the law will be passed. Understood? I hope you understood models, miscellaneous, infinitives and two object sentences. Okay, now let's take WH questions for future tense. How shall I solve the sum? How will the sum be solved by me? Okay, will or shall we have to interchange. Then why will Mohan not have run a race? Why will a race have not been run by Mohan? Have is given, third form is given, only add been. Why will a race have not been run by Mohan? Future perfect tense. Whom will you not have served? Whom will have not been served by you? Okay, understood? Now this exercise is done. I told you that we will do exercise 1 6 to 10 sentences afterwards. Okay, so let's start exercise 1 sixth sentence. Has someone seen my new bag? Has someone seen my new bag? It is interrogative sentence. Has my new bag been seen? Has my new bag been seen? No need to write by someone. Okay, question mark. Has my new bag been seen? Write down with pencil answers. Seventh one, don't write seventh one because it is out of your level, but the passive voice is possible in other way. Is she still working in this office? Okay, so is work still being done by her in this office? Okay, this is the passive for seventh, but do not write seventh one. Do not write seventh one. Okay, do not write. Eighth one is you must help the poor. You must help the poor. See, model is there, must. Okay, so it is easy only. What is the structure of model's passive voice? Model plus be plus third form. Okay, so the poor must be helped. The poor must be helped. Understood? No need to write by you. The poor must be helped. Understood? Everyone laughed at the poor beggar. Okay, here object is the poor beggar. So the passive voice is the poor beggar was laughed at. The poor beggar was laughed at. Okay. Then 10th one is also a little bit tricky. The women are praying in the temple. Students, here I want to tell you one thing. Because you are learning English, and as an English teacher, it's my duty to make you aware of the pronunciation of different words. Here on your screen you can see two words, singular and plural. WOMAN is singular, woman, and WOMEN is plural, and which is pronounced as we-man. We-man. Okay, so keep this in your mind. Okay, the singular is pronounced as woman, you, woman, and the plural is pronounced as women, women. Understood? So 10th one is the women are praying in the temple. Here no object is given. Then what you will do? Objectless है ये sentence, but we can understand the object. The women are praying in the temple. Women है वो temple में pray कर रही हैं. तो क्या कर रही है? Pray कर रही है. Okay, so we can write in this way: prayers are offered in the temple by the women. Prayers are offered in the temple by the women. Understood? Then exercise 2 is done, whole exercise. Okay, then exercise 3, fill in the blanks with future tense passive voice. Okay, it means you will use will or shall plus be plus third form. Okay, the complete details of the tour will be explained to you by the leader. Will be explained, ed. Will be explained, ed. Okay, then a new high rise building will be constructed. Will be constructed, CONSTRUCTED, will be constructed. Constructed. Okay, by us. When dash the date dash, here make some changes. When will the new election, when will the new election, then cut the. When will the new election date be announced? Be announced. When will the new election date be announced? Okay. Fourth one is given in active only. It is active only. No need to write fourth one. Okay. Will provide. The hotel will provide guest with breakfast free of charge. Okay. Here we cannot write the passive form. It will be wrong. It is active voice sentence. So we have to write will provide. Okay. 5 number, many improvements dash in controlling traffic at peak time by next month. Many improvements will be made. Will be made. Third form is made only. Okay. Then next is exercise 4. Here we have to write the verbs according to the meaning of the sentence in different tenses. Okay, in passive voice. This week a new mall dash in South Delhi. Okay, अभी खुला नहीं है. पूरा सेंटेंस पूरा पैराग्राफ रीड करेंगे तो पता चलेगा. This week a new mall will be opened in South Delhi. Will be opened. Okay. The mall is believed to be. The mall is believed to be the largest in Delhi, and it is hoped. It is hoped. HOPED. It is hoped that it will be visited. That it will be visited by over a lakh of people in a month. Unfortunately, then yet is given. So present perfect tense. Unfortunately, it has not been finished yet. It has not been finished yet. It has not been finished yet. But it will be completed by next month. But it will be completed by next month. The mall includes 12 sign complexes, food courts, and every possible foreign brand in clothes, cosmetics, and furnishings. Every kind of facilities and security will be provided. Okay, will be provided, and people can shop here in peace and comfort. So that's all for exercise 4. Then exercise 5. No need to write in notebook, but I am giving you the answers. Just try to listen it. The government is going to make an appointment in the announcement tomorrow. An important announcement is going to be made tomorrow by the government. An important announcement is going to be made tomorrow by the government. They will ban all cars from entering Delhi. All cars will be banned from entering Delhi. Full stop. Okay. They will enter according to their serial number. The cars will be entered according to their serial numbers. Then cars ending in numbers 1, 2, 3 will not enter on Monday. The cars ending numbers 1, 2, 3 will not be entered on Monday. 4, 5, 6 on Tuesdays, 6, 7, 8 on Wednesdays, and so on. The next one is they will help people. People will be helped as pollution is seriously affecting their health. Their health is being seriously affected by the pollution. The government is making plans for a new environmental police force. Plans for a new environmental police force is being made by the government. After all, they must do something before it is too late. After all, something must be done before it is too late. Okay, so these are the answers of exercise 6, but do not write exercise 6 Okay, then exercise 7. Here exercise 7 is little bit tricky. If you have the habit to read English newspaper or magazines or articles, then only you can do this properly. Here sometimes in some sentences we have to add the words not according to the rule. They are the advanced form of passive voice. Okay, so let's start. One must keep one's promises. Here model is given. Okay, and what is the object? Promises. Here once is given. Don't write once. Promises must be kept. What is the answer? Promises must be kept. Kept. Okay, second one, the police may have caught the culprit by now. So what is the object here? The culprit may have been caught by now by the police. You should do your duty come what may. Your duty should be done in any ways. ओके, कोई भी हालत में तुम्हें तुम्हारी ड्यूटी कंप्लीट करनी है. ओके, इन एनी वे. योर ड्यूटी शुड बी डन in any way, in whatever way. Without sincere hard work you cannot achieve success. Here also you can write in this way: success cannot be achieved without hard work. Success cannot be achieved without hard work. Understood? 5 number, you should have helped your brother when he needed it. Your brother should have been helped when he needed it. Okay, simple sentence. According to the rules it is going. 6 number, you ought to win this race. You have worked hard for it. This race ought to be won after your hard work. Okay, then 6 number and 7 number, it is too difficult for you, so no need to write this type of sentences. This type of sentences cannot be asked in exam. Okay, you might disturb, but I am giving you the answers. If you want to write, you can note down. You might disturb the whole system by what you are doing. The whole system might be disturbed by your doings. Okay, by your doings. We may revise the pay scales shortly. The pay scales may be revised shortly. The pay scales may be revised shortly. Okay, we could hear the noise of the drums from a distance. The noise of the drums could be heard from a distance. The noise of the drums could be heard from a distance. Why couldn't you complete the building in a stipulated time? Why could the building not be completed in the stipulated time? Why could the building not be completed in stipulated time? Stipulated time is given time. Okay, scheduled time. Okay, now exercise 8. Imperative sentences are given. Change the following from active to passive. Shut the door. Okay, you are ordered to shut the door. और हमसे छोटे हैं उन्हें तो हम ऑर्डर ही करेंगे. ओके, 2 number, do not tell him anything about our new plan. Let him not be told anything about our new plan. Let him not be told anything about our new plan. Okay, third one, spare no efforts in completing these assignments. No efforts should not be spared. Efforts should not be spared in completing this assignment. I told you that there are various ways to change the imperative sentences into passive, but when the meaning is clear that it is request or order or warning or expectation or hope, then you will use that verb only. Okay, but here it is possible to write efforts should not be spared in completing this assignment. Okay, clear all the dues by the end of this week. All the dues must be cleared by the end of this week. Okay, don't move. Generally the sentences starts with do. We can use let form and you are requested form. Okay, so you are requested not to move or you are ordered not to move. Both the sentences are right. Now exercise 10. Change the following sentences into passive form with the help of the forms given. Exercise 9 you will not write, it is cancelled. Okay, see here some words are given in bold form in a pink box. Okay, first of all use these words according to the meaning. The first sentence is given, keep off the grass. Okay, keep off the grass. You are requested to keep off the grass. Then second one is do not pluck flowers. So here advice is given. What you will write? You are advised not to pluck flowers. Okay, third one is do not trespass or you will be prosecuted. So here we can use warned. You are warned, warning दी गई है. Okay, you are warned not to trespass or you will be prosecuted. Okay, fourth number, all guests should be in their seats by 5 o'clock. Here request है, गेस्ट है, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट ही कर सकते, ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते. तो इट इज़ रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर ऑल द गेस्ट टू बी इन देयर सीट्स बाय 5 o'clock. ओके, इट इज़ रिक्वेस्टेड टू ऑल गेस्ट टू बी इन देयर सीट्स बाय 5 o'clock. 5 number, all members must follow the new rules. The new rules must be followed by all the members, but here we have to use the words. We can use it in this way, all the members are ordered to follow the new rules. Okay, when we use such words we have to skip the models given. All members are ordered to follow the new rules. Everyone expected Akhil Singh to win a medal at Beijing Olympics. So here expectation रखी जा रही है. So it is expected that Akhil Singh, it is expected to Akhil Singh to win a medal at the Beijing Olympics. They hope to find a cure for this disease soon. It is hoped to find a cure for this disease soon. 8 number, some still believe that Subhash Chandra Bose did not die in the air crash. It is believed that, then the whole sentence as it is. It is believed that Subhash Chandra Bose did not die in the air crash. Okay, so that's all for this one. Exercise 11 I can take in next lecture. Particularly next lecture will be of some more examples, some more exercises, and those exercises you have to write in your notebook. These exercises write down, don't write these exercises in your notebook. Okay, I will give you information, but these answers you will write in textbook. Okay, I will give you more exercises because it is important chapter. Okay, so we will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye.